Hello everyone. Today Monday morning. Sorry for my introduction, weird introduction. Let me start again. Hello everyone. Good morning. Today and this morning. Now it's Monday, 5:30 a.m. This early morning, we're going to go ahead and have a breakfast. And you see what I'm making right now? Aloo Bora, aloo ka pakora. Okay, and once I'm done, I'm gonna show you the eating part as well. I am actually trying to mix aloo and Pyaz Bora, so to say, onion Bora. All right, so it's turning good now, turning crispy and brown. So within a few minutes, it will be properly cooked and be yummy crispy. See you then. Simmering good. Something is simmering good. And today we're gonna have potato fritters and onion fritters. Hi, this is the final Bora. It's a mixture of Bora, Aloo Bora and Pyaz Bora. Okay, and we're gonna eat this. How is it, Mazey? Myra? Good? Yummy? Oh, No, not all. I take one. Us. Okay. Mazey loves it. Mazey loves it. Mazey's eat a lot.
Same words, different meaning.
Huh?
It's like an actual chip but thicker.
Abra. Lột cái gì vậy? Mazey, here you go. Oh, Saliva. You like it? Say yummy. Yummy. Let me also have some.
You say you do fasting today and then I'm doing it. You say in your blog.
I did say. I will start fasting with you after lunch.
After eating lunch, you're gonna do fasting. What?
I'm gonna go for 2 days.
This shoe is good.
Good? Oh, sugar. No. Post,